In today's video, I'm going to teach you create clickable audio controls on a slide in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll have simple buttons on your slide that play and control an audio clip during your presentation, so you don't have to rely on the tiny playback bar. First, add your audio to the slide. Go to the Insert tab, choose Audio, and select the file you want. PowerPoint will place a small speaker icon on the slide to represent your audio. You can move this icon anywhere. It doesn't need to be front and center. If you prefer it out of sight, just tuck it near a corner where it won't distract from your content. Next, select the audio icon and look for the Playback tab that appears on the ribbon. You'll see a timeline with a playhead. Play the audio and pause at moments where you want precise control points, such as a new section or a key example. Click Add Bookmark each time. These bookmarks act like mile markers in your audio and give you places you can target when you create your buttons. Now create the buttons your audience will click. Go to Insert and choose a shape or an icon that represents play, pause, or next. Place them where you want your controls to appear and resize them so they're easy to click. You can style them however you like. Clear labels and strong contrast help your audience see them at a glance. With your buttons in place, it's time to connect them to the audio. Select one of the shapes, open the Animations tab, and choose Add Animation. Under Media Actions, pick Play for a play button, Pause for a pause button, or whichever control matches the job of that shape. Repeat this for each button so every control has an associated media action. To make these buttons clickable during the slideshow, open the Animation pane. For each animation you just added, click the small arrow to open its menu and choose Timing. In the Timing dialog, go to Triggers and set Start Effect on click of, then choose the matching shape. This tells PowerPoint to run that media action only when that specific button is clicked, turning it into a true control. Finally, start the slideshow. Click your play button to begin the audio, tap pause to stop it, and use your other buttons to control playback as you present. If you added bookmarks, your controls can align with those points for smoother, more predictable timing. That's it. Your slide now has clickable audio controls ready for a polished, professional presentation.